So we are on our next strategy, which is 50 SMA strategy, right? So what is the strategy? It's a very, very simple strategy, because price should be above 50 SMA. If it is so, RSI should be above 60, then you have to buy. And price, this is 1 hour time frame, right? Please remember the time frame I have not written here. The time frame is basically 1 hour. Yeah, so it has to be, time frame has to be 1 hour, right? So you can, filter out such kind of stocks which are about to move, you know just above 50 moving average in 1 hour, and keep them ready, and whenever you see a breakout coming in them, you can take an entry. Similarly, if you want to be on the sell side, let's say Nifty is weak, then the stock price should be below 50 SMA. And RSI should also be below 40 for our sell trades. The time frame here is 1 hour. Remember that it's not 15 minutes, it's not 30 minutes, it's not one day. It is 1 hour, right? So let's go to the trading platform, and see what I mean here. And once again, I would like to say that please, identify some stocks and only trade in them. And it's a good idea to trade only in the very, very liquid stocks, right? Like all the future stocks that you want to trade, you can definitely trade. So this is 1 hour of sale. This is 1 hour of sale, right? Now here, keep it ready, the price has to be below, 50 moving average. So what you can really do is, you can remove all the other moving averages if you want least amount of confusion. So here it goes. Let the price come below, right? You can sell it, and the RSI has to be below 40. That's another rule. So see here, RSI has, when it just bounced back from here, right? The stock price just came down, and it bounced back from there only. So RSI has to be decently down, like it cannot be like here. This is what you could have considered. When the stock price is crossing 50 SMA and RSI has gone below, this must be happening at 11:15 to 12:15. This is when you could have shorted the trade at 74 rupees, and you could have bought it back after 2 hours at 71 rupees, right? Similarly, when the stock goes above here, right, when it's moving above, look at here, you have to look for RSI, right? RSI is crossed here at this point, or slightly you can say it crossed at this point. So this is where the RSI crossed. Now let's see from where to where the stock has gone up, right? So from 75 rupees, the stock went above. Your choice, you want to keep it for the next day, that also you can do. So from here, like this is the place you can see here. This is where the entry happened, and from which is 75.90, and it went up to, within few days, like it is 7th of June, and this is 13th of June. Within 6 days, including the Saturday, Sunday, rather I would say, within 4 days, the stock price went from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. It went up 15 points, and it's a lot size of uh, lot size of 12,000. So 15 into 12,000, you can imagine how much money is that, right? Here we will not enter. Why? Because the RSI does not give us a clear indication, right? Neither here we can enter. Why? Because the RSI doesn't give us an indication. Now let's see here, right? It has to be simultaneously. Now this is where we are not going to trade, but this place, see here, RSI has gone below 40. All right, RSI has gone below 40. The price has come closer, and see here, after that the stock has come down like this, zoom down, right? Let's see from what value to what value. It started from 73.6 to 68, right? So this is 5 points that you get, and it's quite a lot, trust me, it's a lot of money. And people just look for 1 point. Here we are talking about 5 points, right? Then look at anywhere here, RSI, concentrate on RSI, right? In 1 hour time frame, here it's going down. Look at the candle, price rejection at the higher level, and see the beautiful fall, right? Here it's going up, right? Or rather, I would say it's here that it's crossing, but we don't have a clear signal here. We get the clear signal of RSI here. So you can enter at this point and it'll take you till this point, right? Good about, again, 5 points. So RSI becomes very, very important. I'll show you a few trades, but see, Kotak Mahindra Bank gives you a lot of nice trades. I mean, based on 1 hour time frame. See here, here, beautiful entry. RSI went up. The stock price took a good support and went up, right? From where? 1045 to, it came up to 1304. 150 points in a future stock is too much of money. It's too much of money, right? Then similarly out here, you can see again it came down, right? Out here it's taking a resistance and it's coming down. RSI is down here. You can short it 1263 to 1245. Not many, but definitely you get points, right? Similarly out here, it's good support and RSI above. So 1276 to 1304. About 25-30 points you get here. So concentrate on RSI. Now it's heading up again. Maybe tomorrow we'll again have an opportunity to enter into Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? So, and you can do the same thing with any equity stock as well. You can do that with any equity stock as well. But I would say, rather than that, take a very, very liquid stock. Let's say we take Hindalco, we take VDL, we take SAIL, we take Idea. All these stocks are very, and Just Dial you can take. So see here, huge, huge volatility, right? Concentrate on its RSI in 1 day. Concentrate here, RSI crossed, price went above 50 moving average, and the stock went up till this point, right? Concentrate on RSI. RSI is below, stock is below 50 moving, short it, right? Similarly here, stock has gone up, and but quickly RSI came down. The moment RSI came down, you have to exit. There is no option about it, right? So there could be some choppiness also in the market, right? Here, look at beautiful trade. Stock has come down, and here it's fallen down. RSI is below 40, and it still continues to be below 40. You can enter again if you don't want to remain entered over here. Again, see here, RSI is above 60, and the stock goes up. Painless trades. You don't have to rack your brain. You don't have to do anything. You just have to simply create simple trades, right? This is IndusInd Bank. Again, you'll find beautiful trades here. RSI above, price above, rather way before here, this point. And since then, the stock has been just heading up, right? Exit your trade here. Exit your trade here. Price goes below 50 moving average, exit. I want to show you Indigo. Indigo. Look at beautiful trade in Indigo. Here you enter, remain entered till this point, till the candles come below 50 moving average, right? Stay out, then short it. Moment moving average, the candlestick pattern goes below 50 moving average, short it, right? It's a future stock. Now see here, RSI today itself, RSI had gone down, and look at the beautiful drop. It's a vertical drop that the stock has given. Maruti, you can do the same thing in Maruti as well, right? See here, you have two confirmations, more than enough for you to enter into the trade. See here, this is RSI goes above, price goes above, and see from here to here, stock goes. Once you enter, you don't need to worry, except RSI goes drastically below. Like here, it almost threatened that stock will go down, but it took a support and went up. Because the price was above 50 moving average, we didn't exit. Now here RSI has gone down and the price is also coming down, so we will exit our trade, right? And rather we will go short, right? From here to here, shorting opportunity till this point. Again, there is a buying opportunity here as well, from here to here, and then from here to this part is also a buying opportunity, right? So this is 50 SMA strategy. I showed you today Indigo was a beautiful trade, beautiful trade. It can't have been more beautiful than this, right? You can pick up any trade that you want, any trade, right? This is Jet Airways, beautiful fall. See here, RSI went down and beautiful fall. So what I have done, I have made screeners for you from charting, and those screeners will directly give you, you know, the stocks which are about to have a breakout. Or what you can do is, you can, if you have trading view, end of the day, you can sit down and run through all of them, right? You can run through all of the stocks. There are 200 stocks. It'll take you maximum 20 minutes and figure out in 1 day time frame what is happening. So where is here, this is my, so this is 50 SMA hourly chart. RSI is above 60, right? I'm running it. Let's see what comes up. So these are the stocks that I have got: Goa Carbon, Aditya Birla, Responsive Industries, Polaris, JSW Steel, Spic Mobility, and Mercator. And these are cash. You can convert this into future stocks as well and then run it. So only JSW Steel Limited. So let's see what is happening in JSW Steel. So do I have JSW Steel here? Otherwise I'll add it up. Here. So this is JSW Steel, right? Stock has just crossed and the RSI is also right above 60. You can watch this stock tomorrow. Even I can make a video, small video for you tomorrow. This is at 335.5. You can see out here. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. RSI has to be clearly above. So we'll wait and watch out. We're going to use here ORB or PRB or anything, but we will enter into the stock. Okay. So that is one screener that I have shown you. And you have another screener which is basically for RSI on the downward direction. So Persistent System Limited, there's only one stock. So in cash, we cannot sell. We will only need it in futures. Like the stock has to belong to futures stock, then only we got no filter, no stock. Let me just remove this and then run it. So Amara Raja Batteries and Adani Enterprises are below 50 moving average. Let's see what is happening in them. Adani Enterprise, here is Adani Enterprises. So see here, RSI is not, that's why my screener was not giving me. The price is hanging over here and RSI is not showing a direction, but we can watch it, right? We can watch it, which direction the stock takes a turn, right? That will determine its movement. Then I'm going to look at Amara Raja Battery. If I have it, Amara Raja Battery, I have its call. I'm not interested in the call, but I'm interested in its put. Amara Raja. Let's look into what's happening in Amara Raja. So its RSI is heading down and the stock is here. So we can keep it under watch. You know, it may be in this sell zone yet. Okay. So this is how I'm going to give you these filters. You can work it out. Tomorrow's stock can be JSW Steel. Right? Tomorrow's stock can be JSW Steel. So I'm writing it down so that tomorrow morning I can just trade in JSW Steel and see whether it goes up or not. Today is 20th of June. Let's see what happens on 21st June. Even if I don't trade, but at least we'll be able to see whether the stock goes up or not, right? So this is one stock that we have filtered out, JSW Steel, right? Let me just make a note of it so that tomorrow I can trade. JSW Steel, right? So this is how you can filter out. Or otherwise what you can really do is you can go to the trading view if you have the paid version, or if you don't have the paid version, that's also fine, because we are doing this analysis end of the day. Hmm? And you can just have the two parameters, and scan through it. Run through each of the stock that you get here in the side column, and just trade in them, right? You will be able to see. So here we are. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have another indicator. I'll load another fresh graph, new chart. And I will put the indicators. I'm going to put SMA. Moving averages, right? So, oh god, they have got so many of them. So I need to remove a lot of them, right? So I'm going to, so I don't need it. I don't need it. So what I need to do, style, I don't want this, 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 this. I have just this one. Okay. Now I need RSI. Right? This is only 50 SMA, just 50 SMA. I've taken only 50 SMA. Now I'm going to put RSI. Relative relative index, RSI, and we're going to change according to our need. I will make it inputs style. I'm going to make it 60, and this I'm going to make 40, and okay, right? Now this is how it will be. All right. Now see, wherever you have the blue line, the price is above 50 moving average, RSI. Now what you have to do, put it like this and run through each stock. Run through each of them. Run through each of them and see what's happening, right? Run through each of the stock and see what's happening in them. Only this 50 moving average we need, and we need that the price should be below. So UPL has had that kind of a cross. Price has already come down and the RSI has gone down, right? Dalmia Bharat already down. Sun TV also down. Tata Global is just about heading in the downward direction. There could be an opportunity for shorting. Here, Bank of Baroda, yes, it's already gone down, right? It's already gone down. Which is this? Ah, So just have 50 moving average. If it's not happening here, then you can go to the Zerodha's platform only and check. Okay, and then trade into those stocks. So we've got one stock, JSW Steel, and you can trade in that tomorrow. Today is 20th of June. Let's see what happens on 21st of June. We have to take care of everything. In the sense, we have to see whether the market is positive or not. Market can be negative also, right? And then we'll have to see whether the previous day range breakout is happening or not, ORB is happening or not. Keeping all these parameters in mind, we can enter into JSW Steel. Fine. And the current price on 20th of June, the price is 335.15, right? On the 20th of June, the price is 335.15. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Fine. And what we can also check, how much is the lot size of JSW Steel. People do trade in, a futures lot as well. JSW Steel, the lot size is 3,000, right? Money required is 1,23,000. So will not be. You should have enough money to carry forward these trades because the time frame here is 1 hour, right? So someday, it may not give you the return. It may take maybe 2 days or 3 days. But if you see ORB and PRB, you can do intraday trading as well. Fine. So with this, I'm closing this particular video. Hope you have learned something along with me. So you can use Fatafat Screener, you can use Trader Hunt, you have given you the scanners, you can use them as well. All right. So let me just close today's this class and we can figure out. We'll meet in the next video. All right. See here, beautiful trade, beautiful fall. HDFC had a. This is not HDFC Bank. There's just HDFC. And see here, RSI has gone down and the stock has fallen 9:15 onwards till about on the same day, 16th of May. 16th of May, 16th, this is 17th of May, right? 17th of May, it fell from this value 11911 to 1871. 30-40 point it has fallen, right? So you can figure out very, very good trades from here and create good money. This is also a very, very nice strategy. Fine. Let's look into what's happening in TCS. TCS yet not, the price is not below 50 moving average and RSI is heading down but not crossed 40. So with this, I'm signing off. Let's meet in the next videos.